Hello, good afternoon. My name is Diane Jaramillo, and I will answer the following question. 1. How has technology changed human life in your community? From my point of view, technology has really changed human life in my community since it has allowed us to have much more communication and organization in our daily life, thus allowing great flexibility to study face to face or virtual or work remotely from home. In the same way, it, it has allowed me to connect with my family or friends we are at distance, thus causing positive and negative change on occasion. 2. What positive and negative aspect do you consider your community has had in the use of technology nowadays? Some of the positive aspects of my community that we can find is the ease of learning has had a high rate of productivity on efficiency, on the creating of new hubs remotely. It has been established greater organization your daily start. In the same way, below we will describe some of the negative aspects that technology has generated in my community. Among the we find beauty falling in my community, invasion of supervision, love intellectual capacity. Thank you.